Hello everybody, today we are doing a question from CSIR Net June 2017. The question is from part B. Question says, consider the power series f of x is equals to sigma n is equals to 2 to infinity log n x raised to n. Then the radius of convergence of the power series is a0, b1, c3 and d infinity. So basically we have been given a function f of x is equals to sigma n is equals to 2 to infinity log n x raised to n. So this is in the form of sigma n is equals to say 2 to infinity here a n x raised to n and a n is log n here. So for such a series, the radius of convergence can be found using the formula 1 by r is equals to limit n tends to infinity mod a n plus 1 by a n, right? So this gives the radius of, this helps us to find the radius of convergence, or limit n tends to infinity mod a n whole raised to 1 by n. By using these we can find the radius of convergence. So in this question 1 by r is equals to limit n tends to infinity mod log n plus 1 by log n. So that is limit n tends to infinity log n plus 1 by log n, and if you will put infinity here it will be in infinity by infinity form. So we can use L'Hopital rule, and how we can use L'Hopital rule? We can find the derivative of the numerator, that will be 1 by n plus 1, and the denominator, that will be 1 by n. And now this function is limit n tends to infinity n by n plus 1, and this is equal to 1 clearly. So 1 by r is equal to 1, therefore r is equals to 1, right? So the radius of convergence is 1 here. So option B is the correct answer. This is the radius of convergence.